you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
So we're about to go to the beach, drink some wine. Why am I making this awkward?
I was about to ask you guys yourself.
Okay.
You started doing a head movement. I'm like, what's going on? Is there something wrong with your neck?
Okay, let me try this again. So we're about to go to the beach, drink some wine, journal a little bit. So I'm gonna take you guys with us while we do that, and you know, just enjoy this Saturday. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, let me stop. But this is really peaceful, y'all. Like, y'all saw. Oh, hell no, they crazy. Oh, okay. Lead the way. Okay, I got another drink. This is how it looks, and it is a little smoky.